Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a modification in our GitHub branch and then merge it to our master branch. So going to GitHub, you can see that I have two branches here. Okay, so I have two branches and we have master and branch 1. In Visual Studio, if we click Git Changes, and we click Manage Branches, so you can see that I have two local repositories here, branch 1 and master. So where does it reside? The local repository resides in the .git folder in our computer. So as you can see, if you look at our solution folder, you will not see the .git folder. So you just have to click View, Show, Hidden Items. Okay, so in this folder, in .git, the copy of the local repository resides here. Okay. So when you do commits, it's not immediately pushed into GitHub, but it stays here. So going back, let's create a simple modification to our solution. Okay, and so console. So you have to make sure that you are currently working on the branch here. Okay, so here we are working in branch 1. Okay, so let's write console.writeline hello branch 1. Okay, so we'll commit it. We'll go to Git Changes and we'll have to encode a message for our commit. Added hello branch text, then click Commit All. So as you can see, even though we've committed the modification, when we go to GitHub and we click on this branch, so let's go to branch 1. Okay, and let's see program.cs. Our changes is not yet reflected because we still need to push our modifications to GitHub. So let's go back to Visual Studio and you'll see here, we'll click push. Okay, so this time we can see our modification in GitHub. So here we are in branch 1. Okay, so let's click program. So let's refresh this. There you can see hello branch 1. Okay, so after we pushed our changes to GitHub, the next thing is to create a pull request. We can create the pull request either from GitHub or in Visual Studio. So let's use Visual Studio for this video. So create in Visual Studio. So if you wait for some time, when you click on this text here, the description of your last commit will appear. So let's create the pull request. So the pull request is necessary to merge our branch into our master branch. So we successfully created our pull request number 1, and let's click here, and Visual Studio will open a browser that will link us to the pull request. So we just click merge pull request and confirm merge. Okay, so when we go to our master branch and we click program.cs, you can see that our modification is now reflected. But it is important to note that if we go back to Visual Studio and if we go to our master branch, okay, the merged code does not yet appear. So we need to still pull the master branch from GitHub going to our local repository. Okay, so let's go to Git changes and then let's click pull here. Okay, so there. So it is important to note that when you commit, it goes to the local repository. When you push, it goes to GitHub. And then when you merge the repositories in the GitHub. But then after you merge, you still have to pull back again the modifications you made in our master branch, in our local repository. Okay? So, thank you.